Sprinting to the future of law. A drop in the ocean. Roving the seven seas with sea drones. Part 1. What are sea drones? Babies Day Out. You may have heard about Ukraine's sea babies. In the current war between Ukraine and Russia, Ukraine's use of sea drones, charmingly called Sea Baby, have wreaked havoc on Russia's naval assets and infrastructure. Such notoriety has made sea drones infamous. But in reality, sea drones offer much more than their military uses. So what is a sea drone? Sea drones are unmanned vessels that operate in water bodies such as oceans, lakes, rivers, and canals. Because no humans are on board, they can operate in hazardous conditions, stay underwater longer, go deeper, are smaller in size, cost significantly less, and are easy to maneuver. There are two types of sea drones: surface-level drones and submersible drones. Surface-level drones operate on the surface of a water body. They are also called drone boats, drone ships, drone sails, unmanned surface vehicles or vessels, or uncrewed surface vessels. On the other hand, submersible drones operate underwater. They function at various levels of depth in the water. They are also called drone submarines, unmanned underwater vessels, UUV, or underwater autonomous vessels, UAV. Another way sea drones are differentiated is how they are powered and how they are navigated. There are two types: wired drones and remote control drones. Wired drones get power and are navigated by a human on a ship with which they are connected by wires. They are simplest and easy to operate, but they have a limited range of operations. In remote control drones, power is supplied by onboard batteries or by solar panels in some surface drones. They are navigated remotely by human from a ship or from a ground station. In fully autonomous drones, power is supplied by onboard batteries or solar panels in some surface drones, and they are navigated by advanced sensing and navigational technologies integrated with artificial intelligence. In recent years, due to various uses, which we will discuss in Part 3, the demand for sea drones has grown rapidly, though not as explosively as for aerial drones. The global market for surface drones is expected to grow at the CAGR of 13.7% to reach $2.8 billion by year 2030, according to DataBridge market research. The global market for underwater drones is expected to grow at the CAGR of 11.9% to reach $6.63 billion by year 2030, according to Zion market research. In the next part of this issue, we will discuss India's story with sea drones.